Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joey. Welcome to Joey Happy Place. So today we make suyak. It's called like crispy, like Asian crispy pork, I guess. But in Cantonese we call it suyak. They're really crispy. I have one right here. Oops. I have one right here. Listen. And they're not hard to make at all. They're really juicy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make it. It's going to take a few hours to make it. So you need to marinate it, put it in a refrigerator, and then pop it in the oven. And a few hours later you will get a beautiful fresh made suyak. Let's go! First, we want to put the clean pork belly into the boiling water to cook it slightly, so the skin will be hardened, easier for us to puncture some holes in it later. Then flip it to the other side and cook it a little bit more. This is our first secret for our Asian crispy pork. You want to create some ventilation for the steam to go out from the skin. So you puncture some little holes all over the pork skin. You can use any object. I use a fork. Keep puncturing it. Make sure that it punctures the skin up to the fat. Don't puncture too deep up to the meat. Just like this. This is where you want to stop. This is our second secret. Aluminum foil. For us to achieve the juicy tender meat in the inside and crispy in the outside, we need to make this little box to cover the meat and expose the skin. First, you need to secure all four corners just like this, so all the juice will stay inside. Take your time, no rush. Ta-da! Now we make our marinade. First off, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You will want to use the light soy sauce, not the dark soy sauce. Secondly, 1 tablespoon of 5 spice. And you could find this in any local store. It would be easier if you take off the cap. Then 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. ¼ of a teaspoon of salt. Last but not least, Asian cooking wine. I use the cap that come with the wine, half a cap. That's all I need. Now give it a nice even mix. Try to dissolve all those powder as much as you can. After, spread the mixture evenly through all 4 corners. Just like this. While you're mixing it, you can already smell the combination of all those spices. It smells delicious. Can't wait! Then put the tinfoil box onto the plate for easy fridge transfer later. There's 4 sides of the pork belly, which you want to coat with the mixture first. Take your time and coat it evenly. Try to avoid the mixture to come in contact with the pork belly skin, since we want to keep it light and crispy. After all that, you put the pork belly back into the box, just like this. I put 1 tablespoon of salt in this video. but we actually just need half a tablespoon. Now use your clean hand to rub the salt into the pork belly skin. Try to cover the 4 corners. After you're done, you will put it in the fridge, uncovered. This way, we can dry out the skin to create those crispy skin. Bye! See you tomorrow! The next day, you want to put the pork belly with the aluminum foil into the baking tray. Set the oven for 450, top rack for 30 minutes, then turn it down to 350 for the next 30 minutes. Ta-da! It's done! It smells amazing! Listen! It's so crispy, you guys. So you want to let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes so all those liquid can go back to the pork belly. Now, you put the pork belly out and see those juices? You can keep it, put it on rice, put some soy sauce. It's flavorful. Now we're gonna cut it. You want to turn it around so the skin won't break. Listen. It's so crispy that it shook the screen. Look, I can't wait. So I'm going to show you how crispy it is. Oh my God, it's delicious. It's so juicy, look at it. You guys gotta try this. I'm done cutting. So now we're going to plate it. The skin is crispy. It's good with anything. You can eat it with rice. You can eat it just like that, like a snack. You be my guest. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.